Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to start an LLC with ZenBusiness. First, you have to open your browser like Google Chrome and search ZenBusiness. Open the website to start an LLC formation and enter your preferred company name. After entering the company name, click on the Start an LLC option. ZenBusiness offers different plans with varying features and prices. Wait a few seconds to load the website. They will ask you a few quick questions. Click on Let us do it and they will confirm your business details. Enter your preferred business name and formation state. Click on Next and select the experience you have running a business. Click on Some or Lots from the given choices and then click Next. Choose the option to the question that will you have your business employees in the first year. Choose Yes or No to the question of whether you will have a different business address from home. After selecting the option, click on Next. It asks you how far along is your business. Then, click on the relevant option. After selecting the option, tap on Next to continue. Select your business goals by tapping the relevant option of your goals. Click on Next and add the kind of business you are forming. Enter your industry and click on Next. Do you want to save the progress? You can select Save or Skip. Click on Next and you can select Appoint ZenBusiness as my registered agent by tapping the option. Click on Next and you can choose the package you want like Starter, Pro, or Premium. By scrolling down, you can see different packages, then tap Next. Meet the state requirements with worry fee compliance and select the option Yes, keep me covered, or you can select the option No. Click on Next and select the option to save the money on EIN, business document, or both. Click on Next and you can protect your LLC with an operating agreement. You can select the option Add or No Thanks. After selecting the option, tap on Next and you can protect your assets with business banking. Click the option Add or No Thanks and tap on Next. You can save time and money with bookkeeping. Select the option Add or No. After selecting the option, tap on Next and get started faster by selecting the relevant option. Click on Next and review your info by adding your details like your name, suffix, email address, phone number, company name, and details. After providing the details on the form, click on Continue to review order. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.